Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about Lord Kelvin. Now, let's start with his life. Lord Kelvin, whose real name was William Thomson, was a British mathematician and scientist born on June 6 of 1824 in Belfast, Northern Ireland of the UK. He had 3 other brothers and 2 sisters who survived infancy. His mother died in 1830, unfortunately, when he was 6 years old. He started studying at the University of Glasgow at the age of 10. Lord Kelvin finished schooling in 1845. He worked as an engineer, a mathematician, a writer, an astronomer, and as a politician throughout his life. Unfortunately, on December 17 of 1907, Lord Kelvin died. Now, his education. Lord Kelvin started his education at the University of Glasgow at the age of 10 in 1834, where he attended classes alongside his father, a mathematics professor there. Then he moved on to study at Cambridge University from 1841 to 1845, and he graduated with high honors, becoming the second Wrangler, or second highest educated in his class. After that, he returned to Glasgow to become a professor at the age of 22. His university studies spanned around a whopping 15 years, including both Glasgow and Cambridge. Now, here are some of his prestigious awards. Lord Kelvin received many awards and medals, such as these listed below. The first Smith's Prize in 1845, he received the Royal Medal in 1856, the Keith Medal in 1864, Matussi Medal in 1876, Albert Medal in 1879, Copley Medal in 1883, John Fritz Medal in 1905. Now here are some of his scientific discoveries. So his first discovery was the Kelvin temperature scale, named after himself. Invented in 1848, the Kelvin scale was a temperature scale with absolute zero set as 0 or the lowest temperature, because at this temperature, all molecular motion stops. Next was the second law of thermodynamics. Lord Kelvin significantly contributed to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that heat flows from hotter to colder regions, but can't flow from colder to hotter regions. Next is the mariner's compass. Around the 1870s, Lord Kelvin invented the mariner's compass, which was a normal compass, but it had less interference with the ship's iron hull, so the directions were much more precise. Now here are some of his scientific theories. Of the many he made, 2 are listed below. The vortex atom theory. Lord Kelvin proposed the vortex atom theory in 1867, which proposed that atoms were stable knotted vortex rings within an all-pervading fluid called the aether, with different knot types corresponding to different chemical elements. Next is the electromagnetic theory. Lord Kelvin deeply researched the electromagnetic forces and contributed much to the development of the electromagnetic theory. Here are some fun facts about Lord Kelvin. His birth name is William Thomson, and he also has the name of Baron Kelvin. So yeah, 3 names in total. Lord Kelvin also published more than 650 scientific papers and patented around 70 inventions. Lord Kelvin was elected as a member of the Royal Society in 1851. He served as the president of the Royal Society from 1890 to 1895. In 1892, he became the first scientist to be elevated to the House of the Lords. Then Lord Kelvin was knighted by Queen Victoria in 1866, and he retired in 1899. So yeah, in conclusion, Lord Kelvin was a very important scientist in history who should be respected, honored, and this concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.